We're digging a gunite pool in a tight backyard. Y'all come check it out. Got a rectangle pool with a little bump out for a tanning ledge. It's 8 feet wide. The pool goes from 3'6" all the way to 6 foot. It's got a bench along the back. It's got 2 skimmers, and it'll have 3 bubblers in the tanning ledge. Chad's wrapping up the final stage of the digging process, and our rebar crew is gonna come on tomorrow. They'll tie a steel cage around the whole pool, and Gunite's gonna follow. Today, we're tying rebar. We're about wrapped up. Everything's starting to take shape. Tomorrow morning, we plan to spray Gunite. We're back on the job in Lafayette. Gunite sprayed. Today, we're plumbing the pool. We're gonna have everything pressure tested and ready for the tile and coping to be installed. So we exposed all of our rough-in plumbing in the pool, and we're running all of our plumbing right on the other side of this fence. Roberto's back there knocking it out. Let's go see him.
Whoa.
You good?
Yep.
Need anything?
Nope.
He's all good. So now that the Gunite sprayed, you can kind of see the pool starting to take shape. It's a perfect shape for this backyard, and it had everything that the homeowners needed. Yesterday, we had the cement poured on this job. Travertine completed. This is ivory travertine. We've got 6x6 tile, waterline tile installed. So far, we've got the pool dug, we've got rebar tied, we've got Gunite sprayed, we've got the tile and coping completed. We've wrapped it up with cement around the swimming pool. We're plumbing the equipment currently. The next step is going to be to prep for plaster and then to plaster. We've got to wait about 2 more weeks until we can do so because the Gunite's got to cure for at least 30 days. All right guys, we've got plaster down. Let's go check it out. Cement is all poured around the pool. Coping tile, everything's completed. This pool's got Tahoe blue plaster, quartzscapes. 30 days ago, we sprayed Gunite on this pool. It cured for those 30 days, and on that 30th day, we were able to prep and plaster this swimming pool. All of our equipment was wired and ready to run. Everything was completed around the pool, so now that it's plastered, we're able to get it running, pull the lights, and it's ready to swim.